Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can set up VSCode with Python. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Python download and go to official python.org page. Then you need to press downloads and or hover your mouse here and install a standalone installer for Python and the latest version here. Once it's downloaded, you just need to open this file. Select these two options on installer and press install now and wait until install process is done. After it's done, you can close this and open up SIMD, and we need to make sure that the Python is installed. So we just need to write Python space hyphen and version. And you should see that the latest version here is installed. Next, open up VSCode. Then you need to go to extensions, and then here you just need to write Python. And Python will be here. Make sure to install Microsoft version here. And wait until the install process is done. After it's done, you just need to write code runner. And wait until it loads up and then install code runner as well. Then we can code with Python. So first of all, go to file and then press open folder. Then select the folder where you want to be file saved and press next. And then here you need to trace out authors here. Then you just need to go to Explorer here, expand Python, and then press this plus icon here. Then give it a name, so for example test. And if you want to code with Python, you need to write .py and hit enter. Now you can code with Python. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.